Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good and will be in the best of your health. So today you are going to study Six Sigma with Muhammad Arslan, who is Six Sigma Yellow Belt certified professional by Merit Global Training Institute. And here is my certification of designation about Six Sigma Yellow Belt certified professional. So the index of today's workshop about Six Sigma study that we will discuss are: what is Six Sigma, goals of Six Sigma approach, and why do organizations adopt Six Sigma, and at the end DMAIC methodology. So let's start. What is Six Sigma? Basically, Six Sigma is a data-driven, result-oriented and quality control methodology developed in 1986 by Motorola. The methodology uses a data-driven review to limit mistakes or defects in a corporate or a business process. That's why it is also known as process-focused methodology. And if I characterize Six Sigma, I have to say Six Sigma emphasizes cycle time improvement, as well as at the same time it reduces manufacturing defects to a minimum level. And if I tell you in Six Sigma language, it means it reduces manufacturing defects to a level of no more than 3.4 occurrence per million units or events. That's why it is also known as breakthrough performance gains techniques. What does it mean? It means a method to work faster with fewer mistakes. By seeing advantages practically, now it has become industrial standard with certifications offered to practitioners. Now come towards the goals of Six Sigma. As we discussed earlier in the previous slides in detail, so the goals of Six Sigma are production in variation, elimination of the defects, improvement in yield, enhancement in customer satisfaction, and at the end strengthening of the bottom line. What is meant by strengthening of the bottom line? I want to explain strengthening of the bottom line with the help of an example. Because Six Sigma design techniques are now being used in GE's medical system divisions to create breakthrough in medical scanning technology. Like, patient now get full body scan in half a minute versus 3 minutes or more with previous technology. Now hospitals can now increase their usage of their equipment and achieve lower cost of scan as well. So for studying and applying Six Sigma, first we need to know what is the approach of Six Sigma, or simply Six Sigma approach. As I have stated earlier, that Six Sigma is implemented so that we can eliminate defects and bring improvement in the yield. So Six Sigma approach is to find out the problem that causes effects. And symbolically it is represented by y is equal to f of x. Here y represents the problem occurring due to cause x. And now comes toward why do organizations adopt Six Sigma. I want to give you practical example of that. Why do organizations adopt Six Sigma? Because organizations accepted that Six Sigma methodology enhance the value of the organization by making them competitive and quality conscious. And now we will take example of that to understand why do organizations adopt Six Sigma. So we will see the example. As you all know Microsoft very well. It is one of the largest software producer in the world. In an effort to improve the reliability and the availability of its networks worldwide, Microsoft implemented Six Sigma methodology. Firstly, they collected all IT infrastructure failures and established standards of all of its hardware and software to create a baseline measurement of the detecting defects. Microsoft used root cause analysis from failures to recommendation using historical data. Large amount of data were collected on daily and weekly basis from previous servers. In this way, using Six Sigma methodologies, Microsoft improved their defects by 40% within first year. So, some of the benefits that the organization derived from the Six Sigma initiatives are waste prevention, defect reduction, cycle time reduction, cost saving, and market share improvement. For more understanding and for mathematical interpretation, I have also listed some data. Here we can clearly understand and see that as Six Sigma level increases, the defects percentage decreases, which improve the efficiency of the process. Here you can see Six Sigma level is increasing from 3, 4, 5 to 6, and you can also see the defects percentage that it is moving towards on decreasing level. Now come towards DMAIC overview. So how Six Sigma proceed and on what basis initiative taken is totally based on DMAIC methodology. So what is meant by DMAIC? DMAIC means define, measure, analyze, improve and control. In this methodology, we define the problem, we measure the defects that will happen during the process, then we analyze these defects and we try to improve these defects so that we can increase our production efficiency by adopting several measurements. Most oftenly, DMAIC methodology is used when existing product or process requires improvement to meet or exceed customer requirements. The companies that are using DMAIC are GE and Motorola. And I have also listed the benefit of using DMAIC methodology. Like you can see that GE reduces invoice defects and disputes by 98% and create better productivity. That's the benefit of using DMAIC overview. That's all from my side about Six Sigma. Thank you so much.